Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes online. First, gather all your essential financial documents like W-2s and 1099. This initial step ensures you have everything needed to accurately report your income and deductions. Choosing the right online tax software is also crucial for a smooth filing experience. We'll cover these basics to get you started confidently. Having your documents ready is key. Make sure you have all income statements, like your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Don't forget records for potential deductions or credits, which can save you money. Then, pick an online tax service that fits your needs, whether it's a free option or a paid one with more features. Once you've chosen your software, it's time to enter your information. Carefully input all your financial data, ensuring accuracy for every number. The software will guide you, but always double-check for any errors or missed entries. Before you hit submit, take the time to thoroughly review your entire tax return. This step is vital to avoid mistakes. After a final review, you can electronically file your tax return. The software will walk you through the submission process. Once filed, you'll receive a confirmation number, which is important proof of submission. Finally, remember to keep copies of all your tax documents, including the filed return, for at least 3 years for your records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.